Protected right turns are where you turn right in an area that's out of the way of the main flow of traffic. Let's show you what to do.
Just had his phone in his hand.
He's still got it in his hand.
Has he?
Yeah.
You just look out for little things like that. People aren't paying attention. Now, where are we going to go? Yeah. Okay. Now, notice the car behind had to go round us that way a little. I'll talk about that in a second. You deal with your junction, yeah, good, we're okay. You didn't quite get in that right turning box, Don. You sort of like stuck the front end in.
I never put the back
But
end
your bum was stuck out a bit.
Right, okay.
Okay, so after that explanation, we're not turning right here, but if you were turning right here, try and describe to me what position you've been.
Go in there.
In and then back straight.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
That's what you're trying to do with those what we call protected right turns.
Right.
You're trying to get all the way in, point straight if we can, to see whether this people carrier's done it. They did a reasonable job. The taxi has done a good job,
Yeah.
hasn't it?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect.
As my pupil turns right onto the main road, watch the silver car coming from the left.
The more time you look at the giveaway, the more you waste. More time you look at the giveaway, the more you waste. Yeah, good. You don't need it.
Yeah.
And you've got to convince your brain that that's the case.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Any idea why the van was beeping at that lady in the middle?
No.
Did you see her position?
She
was outside
was
of that
out,
box.
yeah.
What should she have done? Move to the right a little bit.
Yeah.
Shouldn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. If she's in that box, then the traffic's allowed to. It can flow to the left of
Yeah.
her. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's have a look at one of these protected right turns done properly.
Yeah.
Now keep everything moving. So we're going to have a little go at this protected right turn, Lucy. So what do we do with this? Which mirrors do you check? Good. Do we signal? Yeah. Let's then slow it down. Fully in the box in the middle. Steer right more. Slow it down more. Steer left more. Can we go before this oncoming one? Yeah. Off we go. That's a crack of that, Lucy. Well done. Perfectly in the middle with the box. Great stuff.
The last couple of little points are, if the area surrounding the hatched area has a broken line, you can go across these hatched areas to get into your protected right turn box, as long as it's safe and it's necessary.
Nice. Traffic lights. We're going to turn right, Jubilee. Now, this is an important thing. Look at the car, it's quite close behind. Keep going. What I'd like you to do is check and put a right signal on now and go across the hatched area, because this car's close. Go across the markings and just straight to your right turning box. That was excellent. Take your time. Happy now?
Yeah.
Good job. Well done. And that was an absolute classic time that going across the markings was a big benefit.
Yeah.
And the reason being is that car was really close, and I think if you'd gone to the left there, that car may have gone across the markings like it did anyway, and then you would have had a problem moving into the marking. Make sense? Perfect.
Never do this, however, when you've got a right turning box from the other direction that you will have to pass through to get to your right turn box. I think the dangers are pretty obvious here. This is how this situation should be performed. I hope this has made things a little clearer when you're doing these right turns. But remember, with any right turn, you're crossing the path of oncoming traffic, and that's the real danger. Thanks for watching.